So in today's video, I just want to give you guys a couple of tips on how you can build your credit with a credit card, mainly a introductory credit card, a beginner credit card. And this credit card is the OppFi card. Um, I'm not, and if you are aware of OppFi, they do have personal loans as well. Um, and basically, they just came out with a new credit card. And this card came out earlier this year. It is, new card. So you guys want to get in now. They are approving applications. And basically, this card is for people that have bad credit or fair credit. And they're trying to improve their credit situation. So, um, this is a great card, like starting card for anyone, just because they approval rate is so high. So yeah, I just wanted to go over this card with you guys. Just keep in mind, the Yacht Fi card. Um, it is basically it is annual fee with it. As you can see here, they start you off with $1,000 a credit limit with 35.99% APR. And the annual fee is $99. $99. I've seen some people get 75, but just really depends on your credit history. There is no security deposit required, guys. So uh, it's not a secured credit card; it's unsecured, which is pretty good, pretty cool. So you don't have to put any money down. And also there's no impact to your credit score or FICO score when you apply. So card does have pretty cool security features. They do have the contactless payments, and basically, you're able to add it to your Apple Wallet, so you can use Apple Pay, um, when checking out. And yeah, I mean, it's if you go on their website, opficard.com, that's where you can apply. And basically, how it works is you want to just apply. They're just going to do a soft check on your credit report. So it's not a hard check. Normally, if they were to do a hard check, you would get a credit inquiry. So they're just doing a soft check just to review your credit, just to make sure, everything is good there. So as long as you guys don't have, nothing crazy on your credit, like no foreclosures, no derogatories, then you should be good to go. Because as you can see here, they say they're going to review it and not to worry if your credit is less than perfect. They also consider your bank account and employment history for approval decisions. So guys, this is a game changer. So basically for these for anyone that's struggling with credit, has low credit, is trying to build their credit, this is a great card for you because they not only factor your credit report, they're also going to factor your bank account and your employment history. So let's just say you have horrible credit, but you do have a job, and you do have a bank account that shows, that you're getting paid from your job every week or every 2 weeks, that has that recurring money coming in, um, then that is going to definitely get you approved for this card. So, like I said, it's a great card for people that's trying to build their credit. And so, yeah, basically, as soon as you get approved, you can start using it. You're able to, add it into your Apple Wallet if you do have an Apple phone, or you can use it with Google Pay as well. Um, and so yeah, like benefits of this card, guys. It's great for beginner credit. Basically, just give you guys a summary on how to build credit. Basically, once you have a account with a bank issued credit card, you do not want to go to consumer finance route. You just want to keep it strictly with the banks. That's giving you like a credit card that can be used anywhere, like a MasterCard, Visa, or Amex or Discover can be used. You don't want to go for the consumer finance accounts because that actually flags your credit. So this card is going to be issued from a major bank, and it can be used anywhere. A Master, Visa, American Express, or Discover can be used. So how you build your credit is you basically get the card and you use it. You use it. You don't want to use it too much. Don't ever um let your balance be over 30% past the reporting date of when your payments are due. Um but you do want to use the card. So you want to use the card, and how you build the credit is you keep paying back on time. So your payment history is going to be reported to all three major credit bureaus with this card, which is great. Some cards only report to two bureaus, one bureau. This is going to report to all three. Um, so the more payments you make, and make sure all payments have to be made on time. More payments you make, the more your score is going to increase. So on time payments equals increasing your score, guys. So that's key. Also, it's going to improve. It's going to improve and increase your available credit. So when your credit report is pulled, they look at how much available credit you have. And when they see that a bank was willing to give you $1,000, and you have that in available credit, that's going to look great for you. So keep that in mind as well. Also, they're great on they're great with their security and their support. This company is 100% US based. Um, and you can always reach out to them at any time by email or phone for anything, where there's status on your application or anything update on your account. So they're very, communicative with you. That's a great thing. And also, you do have the option to freeze your card as well. So let's say once you get the card, god forbid something happens to it or you lose your phone, you can just go right into the app or log on your account online, and there's going to be a freeze option on your card. So basically, no one will be able to put any unauthorized charges on that card. And that's a great feature to have, because lot some there are still some cards out there that don't have that feature, which is unfortunate. So basically with that feature, guys, it protects you from fraud, from from but just basically it's like protects you from anything that's unauthorized. So let's just say you travel or you go out one night, and god forbid you lose your wallet. You're going to be protected because you can just go walk into your app, or sign in online and freeze that card. So it's just a great option to have, just to make sure no one can never rob you, or commit fraud on your account. So definitely do recommend it, guys, especially for someone that's trying to build their credit, and people for beginner credit. So yeah, go on their website, check it out. The OppFi card. Like I said, it attaches to your Apple Wallet. You can put it on your Apple Wallet or your Google Pay immediately if you get approved. And yeah, yeah, $1,000 credit limit, 35.99% APR with an annual fee. I know some of you might think, yeah, that's a pretty high annual percentage rate. Keep in mind, they're going to be approving you with, if you do have started credit or bad credit. So you got to start somewhere, guys. And so, like I said, I do recommend the OppFi card for people that's trying to build credit. Um, and like I said, just to give you a little bit of overview of the company, they do offer personal loans as well. I've used their personal loans. And the great thing about their personal loans is it does report as a trade line as well on your credit. So you can get two credit features with them. So you can do the credit card and the personal loan. They have personal loans ranging, believe, up to 5 or 10,000, or I think more. I'm not sure what it ranges up to, but let's say you get approved for the $1,000 card and then get approved for $1,500 loan. That's going to just help you build a relationship with this bank, and also that'll give you two trade lines on your credit report, and yeah, and then it'll help you build that credit. So come go on their website. You can read more about them. They do help a lot of people, over 60 million people, as you see here, get access to credit. Um, and if you look at the numbers here, they help the people that is really in need. Like 64% of their consumers live paycheck to paycheck. So what does that tell you guys? That means they're gonna help you out regardless of the situation you're in, and they're gonna get you approved. Um, um, so yeah, I mean, this is a very good company to do business with. They're very understanding of your needs. So I do recommend them. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, you can look at the awards that they have here. They're part of the Inc. 500. They're A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Um, they are a fintech breakthrough. So that basically what the fintech means is they basically approve you through your banking, your basically your banking history. So like I said, as long as you have a job, you have that regular income coming through, regular direct deposit payments coming through from your job to your bank account, they're going to check all that, and as long as that checks out, guys, you're going to get approved. So they really don't they really garner towards that rather than your credit, especially when it comes to like the personal loans. I don't even think they actually do not, they don't check the credit, they don't check your credit for the personal loans. So for the personal loans, guys, they actually only check your bank account. So they're going to check the basically your banking transactions and your banking direct deposits, making sure you do have that income coming through weekly or bi-weekly, whichever the case may be. And yeah, whenever you're ready, you can just go here. This is the website to apply for the credit card. So once you're ready to get the credit card, go apply for OppFi. Click here, apply for the OppFi card. And then you can enter a code if you got one. And if not, you can just go on to their direct site and apply. And also, if you go here, their other website is OppLoans. And with OppLoans, like I said, this is the one that I was telling you. This is the ones with the personal loan option. So the OppLoans is designed for everybody, and like I said, they're gonna check your banking history. So if you want to look at here, so here it goes. They range from their loans range from 500 to 4,000, and your eligibility will depend on your state of residence, your income, and your ability to repay, and your credit worthiness. And I believe they do ask for your pay stubs along with logging in your bank account. And yeah, these are just, regular personal loans. You can lose your loans for anything: car repairs, home repairs, emergency situations. And like I said, it's going to be another trade line that reports on your credit. Um, so I believe you will get an inquiry only if you accept the offer. And but if you apply, it's not gonna harm your FICO score at all, or your credit score. So if you want to apply, just click there, and gotta be at least 18 or older. Purchase for any credit product, and just look on the state service. All right, so these are all the states they service, guys. See here, they do have Alabama, Georgia, Nevada, Wisconsin, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Washington, and Wyoming. So if you're in any of these states, guys, we get to go. And, and yeah, I mean, like I said, this will build your credit. It'll help establish your credit. Go ahead and go in for the personal loans and go ahead and go in for that credit card. Build up your credit, guys. It's about to be a new year, so let's all stop playing games and let's all build our credit up, get access to more funds, and that way we can come a step closer to that financial freedom. So please like and share this video, guys. Let me know if you do have any other questions, or let me know, what you think about the company if you tried it before. If you use any of their products, please just let me know about that. And also any recommendations at all. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Um, it's LUC, and we're gonna catch you guys on the next one.